love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste Friends. In yesterday's lecture, we saw about GCD, which is 39 in NumPy and total 80 in the entire Python. So GCD and LCM, we know that we saw the mathematical functionality and we saw them how to write it in the Python code, and we saw how to reduce the array as well. So the same reduce function, and then the GCD dot, so we saw all those things and we actually figured it out. So today in the entire Python, it is chapter 81 days, and in the NumPy it is chapter 40. So we have two more things to cover up the NumPy, but we are here, okay, in chapter 40, and this chapter 40 is something that everybody is quite familiar of, or we would have actually heard the name, trigonometry. So the trigonometry function, the moment you actually hear the trigonometry function, we'll be hearing sine, cos, theta, gamma, whatever. Okay, so the sine, cos, tan, which actually takes away values in radians and produce a corresponding sine, cos, tan values. So this is a trigonometry. The trigonometry is basically be like this, right? Like a pyramid, right? And then how we actually do this is what we are going to be seeing. All right. So let's actually see how this actually works in the NumPy. Okay. So if I go here and if I actually type this import NumPy SMP and then I have dot sign, I'm taking the pi value. So pi divided by 2. So I'm going to see what is the sine value of this. When I actually run this, it gives me 1. Okay. So this is a sine value. All right. Now find the sine value for all the values in array. Now since this is a Python, everything actually eventually adds up to the array and stuff of that nature, right? So let's see how it actually adds up to the array. So if I go here, if I actually type it, so it's the same import NumPy SMP, and then I have an array, and in this array, I have all these things. I have pi divided by 2, pi divided by 3, I have up to pi divided by 5. And then I say find the sine of everything. And if I run this, this is what I'm going to get. Okay, it's actually finding me the sine value. So by default, all of the trigonometry function takes radians as parameters. Okay. But we can convert the radians to degrees and vice versa as well as in NumPy. The radians value here is the pi divided by 180 times the degree values. That is what we have been doing. All right. Now, if you want to convert the value into array into radians, so let's actually take this. Okay. We have this import NumPy as this, and we have a single dimensional array, 90, 80. So these are the degrees. And then I say degree to radian. Okay, so this NumPy, this dig is degree to radian of array. So this is the degree, so I'm saying degree to array. And when I actually run this, this is what it's going to give me. So this is a way I can actually convert. Okay, that's all, guys. And I think you can do the same thing for the cos as well. So if you want, we can actually take this thing. So instead of this, I can say this is a cos, and we can also do a tan. Let's actually see, who's going to stop us, right? So if I say cos, if I say print x, yeah, this is my cos. And if I do the same thing, and if I say tan, all right. So this is what the trigonometry is, something we have actually seen from our younger days. I trust you have actually seen this lecture, probably understood the same and liked the same. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll actually try to help you to the best of my abilities. Like always, I would like to thank two persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and the other is my wife Jayashree following me to follow my passion. Till we see next time, thank you, take care, and cheers.